Today, you're in for a very special treat. Today, I share with you a real estate lead generation strategy that is designed to get you some free buyer leads. That's right, some free buyer leads that once you find out the complete strategy, you're gonna see that these leads were hiding in plain sight. So I'm super excited to share this strategy with you, and make sure to stay to the end because I have a very special bonus for you. Hey, it's Jaime. Welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. All right, so let's get started. I absolutely love talking about buyer leads, especially free buyer leads, because as you know, there are certain buyers that actually have a home to sell as well. So you get that 2-for-1. You get to sell their home and help them buy another one. That's an overlooked fact that a lot of real estate agents do not realize. So whenever I have consults with real estate agents that are looking to improve their business and get a ton more leads, the question is always around, hey, I want more listings. And that's fair, that's okay. But also remember that buyer leads are important. Buyer leads have a lot of value because some of them actually have a home that they need to sell as well. But anyway, enough about that. If you're interested in some additional information, then I'll make sure to link it down below. But of course, it's totally optional. Now let's dig into the strategy. The strategy that I want to share with you is finding real estate buyer leads in plain sight. And it all starts in the MLS. So you're gonna log into the MLS, but instead of going to the for sale side of the MLS, you're gonna go to the residential lease section. You're gonna go to that section where real estate agents put their residential leases. So you as a real estate agent have access to those. You have access to the active ones, the pending ones, those that have been leased. You have access to everything. So you're gonna filter based off of your farm, the area that you actually geographically work, and you're gonna apply one additional filter. That additional filter is based off of when the properties were leased. And the time frame that you're gonna use is anybody that leased a property 11 months ago to 6 months ago. So here's how it breaks down. For the sake of this example, we're gonna call this January. And this means that 11 months ago, it was February. So that leaves 1 month gap. So anybody that signed a lease back in February, well, in about 30 days, they need to either get out of that home or they need to extend their lease another 3 months, 6 months, and beyond. Chances are at this point, if it's the last 30 days, you're not gonna get too much traction, but you wanna start and continue going all the way to the very end. So that is a fine number to start with. So again, 11 months to 6 months back. So anybody that signed a lease in February, March, April, May, June, all the way up to July, so we're talking about 6 months, needs to hear from you. You need to go and door knock these people. You need to go and reach out to them because these are people that are leasing at the moment that need to hear from you. Think about it. You get so much information from the MLS. You see exactly when somebody signed a lease. You see exactly the term that that particular listing was asking for. If they wanted a 2-year, they wanted a 6 month, if they wanted a year, you get all of that information. And you also get something very important. You know exactly how much they're leasing that property for, how much they're paying as rent. You have all that information. So these are all leads that are hiding in plain sight. You don't need to send 10,000 mailers. That is silly. You don't need to do that at all. All you have to do is do this filter and you go out there and door knock them. Now that's the free portion, but if you want to take it one step further, there's nothing stopping you from getting that person's contact information through all of the different services that are available. You can get their personal email and you can get their personal phone number relatively inexpensive. So you have access to that. What else do you have access to? Well, you have access to their address because that is how you found them on the MLS. So you know that they're living in that particular property. So why not start sending them direct mailers? Now, I understand that these last ones are paid strategies, but these are meant to be amplifiers. You can do the door knocking strategy all day long and speak to those people or come back to that particular residence until you speak to somebody. You can do that all day long, but if you want to continue nurturing those people that you know are absolutely renting, there's nothing stopping you from purchasing their data and also sending them direct mail in a very targeted fashion. You don't have to spray and pray. You have something very targeted right in front of you. Now again, this is a strategy that I have never shared before on this channel. and this is one that I've only shared with my own personal real estate team. So if you're interested in the entire blueprint, then I'm gonna ask you to email admin@JaimeResendiz.com, and please reference this video. Please reference this particular title of the video so my assistants know what to send you. And I'll go ahead and say it. If you send me an email at admin@JaimeResendiz.com, if you send an email without any context as to what you're asking for, it's gonna go into the junk folder. We're just gonna delete it. So at this point, I hate to be that way, but we get flooded with so many different emails, and I make this available to you. It's absolutely free. The least thing that you can do is follow instructions. So if you want this particular A to Z blueprint, then go ahead and send me an email. And if you want, just for good measure, comment down below, free, and we'll make this available to you. Thank you so much. So now you know how to generate some free buyer leads along with some additional strategies to amplify those results. It's time to continue working. So I'll leave a video right here that's gonna help you do that. Also, if you found value today, please be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And of course, make your best day yet.